Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Sika Deer Trough in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Sika Deer is one of the animals in Heartopia. And then I'm going to show you guys how you can find the Sika Deer Trough to unlock the Sika Deer in Heartopia. Okay, the location is here guys. You're going to go to the forest lake and you will be able to find the trough right here. Okay, this is the exact location of the Sika Deer trough. And once you find the trough, you can click on this icon and then you're going to fill the trough with the food. And I'm going to feed it. Okay, and I have already increased the bond level with the Sika Deer. And usually the Sika Deer is around the trough, and it's not here. But once you fill the trough, the Sika Deer will go to the trough and eat the food. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the Sika Deer trough in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!